Okay guys, so as you can see that I have a hard drive here, and the problem that we're experiencing with this hard drive is a very hard clicking sound, and this can happen when the reader for the hard drive is stuck or something like that. This hard drive, as you can see here, right here is where we are getting the clicking noise. This is the cause for the clicking noise right here. So for us to solve this issue, we need to align the reader. This is what would read the disk. We need to align it this way. When we are putting back the hard drive together, I just want you to notice this hole right here. This hole will screw on top of this right here, so it will keep this tight. But for some reason, this is where we are getting the heavy clicking sound, bam bam bam. So what we need to do here, we need to probably align it this way, and then we need to screw this down very tight. Yeah, and it's like a hidden screw that was there because this was taped down. We can see where that screw came from right there. Right there, you can see where that screw came from. So that's the problem that is generating the heavy clicking sound. We just need to tighten this up a bit. You know, I do believe that this hard drive probably dropped before, or probably it got hit by something, and you know, it can cause a problem like this. So this is how you resolve the heavy clicking sound from your hard drive. So I just hooked up back the hard drive, and the clicking sound from the hard drive is gone. It is completely gone. So yeah, everything is good to go. I'm just gonna see if I can access the information on this hard drive. I can see the hard drive installing right down there now. So here is it right here, ATA channel 0. installing driver, and that hard drive should be showing up in my computer. Video was helpful to you guys, I would also appreciate you subscribing to my channel, and also like this video and share this video on social media. And also for questions and comment down in the comment section below.